Hello and welcome to Crypto Coders, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies. This is the second video of our technical analysis series. In the previous video, I discussed the very basics of technical analysis and its importance. And we also made our account on TradingView. If you're a beginner with no previous knowledge about the markets, I suggest you go and watch that video first. Link will be provided in the video description. In this video, we'll learn about support and resistance. Support and resistance is the most basic and important topic of technical analysis. Everything else is built on top of it. Support and resistance are of two types: horizontal support and resistance, and there is also trendline support and resistance. We'll take a look at horizontal SR in this video. First, support. As the name suggests, support is the price level on a chart which provides support and tries to prevent the price from falling down further. It is the price level at which an asset has historically found buying interest, which means that when price previously came to that price level, it bounced from there. Now arises the question, how do you find support? You look for the areas where price had reversed its direction after reaching a particular level, or the price levels where the asset's decline was halted and it started moving in the upward direction. Let's look at this diagram. Suppose the price was dropping continuously, but when the price reached the $50 level, you see a reversal. That means that $50 could be a potential support. If you see a reaction to that same level for the second time, you can mark this area as support. Next time when the price comes to the $50 mark, you are going to buy because there is a high probability that the price will bounce from this level again. One thing to remember is that it is better to wait for at least 2 taps on the support lines so that it is confirmed that a particular level is acting as support. The opposite of support is resistance. Resistance is the price level on a chart which provides resistance and tries to prevent the price from rising any further. It is the price level at which an asset has historically found selling pressure. It means that when previously price came to that level, it got rejected towards the downside. I made a diagram for resistance as well for better understanding. Suppose the price was rising, but when the price reached the $65 level, you see a reversal. That means that $65 could be a potential resistance. If you see a reaction to that same area for the second time, you can mark this area as resistance. Everything is opposite to the support. Next time when price comes in this area, you are going to sell because there is a high probability that the price will be rejected from this level again. You might be wondering what happens if a support or resistance is broken. Informally speaking, the area plays an Uno reverse card, which means that the area that was acting as resistance now starts to act as support and vice versa. But for that, a retest of that level is important. As the name suggests, retest means that the price revisits a significant support or resistance level that it had previously touched or crossed. Let me explain with the help of an example. Like we saw in the resistance diagram, support has been confirmed after 2 taps, but when the price revisits, the resistance level has not been respected and the price surpasses the level. Now to confirm that area will act as support, the price will come back to that level, retest it as support and bounce back up. Let's quickly move on to TradingView and find support and resistances on real charts. I've opened up the Bitcoin weekly chart on TradingView. We'll try to find support and resistances in this chart. So as I told you, we have to find reversal areas. So this is one reversal area. You see that the price was coming down and from this level you see a bounce. So this could be a potential support area. Now you have to see if we get another tap from this area. The price bounced, and as we came down again, you can see that there was a reaction to this area. Now you can mark this area as support because we saw a reaction to this area again. So you can use the command Alt plus J. So this was our second tap. We saw a reaction towards the upside, and then we saw another tap. As I previously told you that after seeing a reaction for the second time, the third time the price revisits that level, you have to buy. So this would be the third time that the price revisits this level. So if you bought here, for example, you bought here, wherever your stop loss was, the price went up about 115%. So that would have been an easy profit just by using the concept of support and resistance. Now once again, after this huge bounce, the price retraced again, and from this level again you saw a reaction towards the upside, and this time you could have taken a profit of 46%. Now comes the scenario where the support is broken. For the fourth or the fifth time when this the price revisits this level, you saw that the support level was broken. And as I told you that there is a thing called retest, we saw a successful retest. The price came down, revisits the support area, which will now start to act as resistance. So after the retest, you were supposed to sell here because there was now this level will start to act as resistance. So a huge move towards the downside, you could have saved your money. A reaction of 44%. Now that we know that this level will act as resistance, after this whole move down, the price revisits that area, get rejected. For the second time, it revisits that area and get rejected again. But for the third time, you can see now that it is trying to break the area of resistance again. So what you need to do here is nothing but wait. If there is a candle closure above this level, you're going to wait for a retest on the weekly level. If the retest is successful, this area will once again start to act as support. Then you can buy and take profits in this level, because this will act as resistance, because this was a previous reversal area. So this is how you trade ranges, and that's how you make profit, just by using support and resistance. For our second example, we'll take the chart of Bitcoin dominance. You can see there was a reaction from down here towards the upside. This could be a potential support, and when it came back up, you saw that there was a reaction towards the downside. So potential support and resistance. Then you will wait for second taps on both areas. Second tap was here, again acted as resistance. So the resistance has been confirmed, and when it came down, the support has been confirmed. Then you saw that there were the Bitcoin dominance just moved between these ranges until the resistance broke just recently. As you saw, the resistance level was broken. You saw a successful, this is a textbook retest. The support was broken, came back down, retested as support, and then moved back up. Now this area will start to act as support. I'll make it green. This is another support. Let's move on to Chainlink. We saw a reaction from down here and from up here. Support, resistance. Support confirmed, resistance confirmed. Now you just sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, and sell here. And that is how you make profit in trading, just by using support and resistance. That's all I have for today. If you like the content I'm bringing you, you can buy me a coffee. These are the socials of crypto coders. I post additional content on Twitter and Instagram, which includes free trades, news, and by insights on crypto events. Links will be provided in the video description. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Kindly smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative crypto related content. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Until next time.